Okay, we have out of bounds. Bola sa team Homeboys. Wala ba? Okay. We have Habinis. Habinis sumusot yata ka Menjola. Menjola attack. No good. Rebounded by someone else. Wala ba makita na ko ni Habinis? 15 seconds to shoot. Menjola to Mr. Habinis. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Okay, we have giving the ball Mr. 30. Jersey number 30 to Mr. 27 to Duterte. Naligas na po ni Mr. Gallegos to Menjola. Menjola na naman steal by number 27 to number 2. One piece 5. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Acosta to Mr. Habinis to Mr. Menjola attack. 2 points. Mr. Menjola from NHA Classic. Our time is 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Winning the ball, we have jersey number 3, no good. Rebounded by number 30, and it's 2 points by jersey number 30, Mr. Bascones. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Winning the ball, Mr. Habinis. Habinis, nagpapasalamat sa Menjola to Mr. Bagaho. To Acosta attack, and natalak by number 27, and bola sa team Homeboys. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Winning the ball, Mr. Duterte. Gikan kang Mr. Natindem. Pass to Mr. Natindem to Mr. Bascones. Nalagyan na sila, and it's a 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's a 3 points by Duterte. Okay, Habinis. 5 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. We have Habinis in foot. We have it's a 2 points by Habinis. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Giving the ball Mr. Duterte. Pass to Natindem. 14 seconds to shoot. To Bascones, 10 seconds to shoot. Nagmamadali. No good. Rebound by Bagaho. Bagaho naligis pa dyan lang pa ni Menjola. 4 minutes and 22 seconds.